Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to build this awesome neon text hover effect using just HTML and CSS. No JavaScript needed. Let's dive right in. First, let's set up a simple HTML structure. We only need one element, an h1 tag. Now, let's move on to the CSS. First, we'll style the body to center our text in the middle of the screen and give it a dark background. Next, let's style the h1. We want it bold, big, uppercase, and with a transparent fill plus a colored stroke. We also set it to relative so we can position our pseudo element inside it. Here's where the animation magic happens. We'll use the double colon before pseudo element to simulate the text filling in when we hover over it. We start with a width of 0, so the content is hidden. The transition allows it to smoothly expand when hovered. Now, on hover. When we hover, the border right gives it a nice typing illusion. The width animates to 100%. And that's it. A slick neon text effect using just HTML and CSS. It's perfect for landing pages, headers, or just to add some flair to your site. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow devs. Drop a comment if you'd like to see more CSS effects like this. See you in the next one.